FanoChannel.com. Where do we hang out? We all hang out at the FanoChannel.com. We all hang out at the FanoChannel.com.
We just got the public joining us.
Good and welcome whanau to this live broadcast brought to you by the FanoChannel.com. I'm here in the tool shed, of course, aka as known as Studio 275, The Lion's Roar, and brought to you on this website, the FanoChannel.com, which is a website that brings together all the hub of activity happening in and around the North Island with the kaupapa of E Tu Whanau. And as part of the work that I do for an organisation called Te Korowai Aroha o Aotearoa, it is my privilege to bring to you a beautiful kaupapa that I have been working alongside Te Whanau Rangimarie o Tamaki Makaurau Trust, which is an organisation on the corner of Roberts Road, and I forgot the other street, but it's here in Mangere, who are doing wonderful work in terms of the community and whānaus living in and around the South Auckland areas. This program that we have developed alongside one of their social workers, Rima Williams, and alongside their CEO, Aneta Rangi, is a wonderful piece of work that brings together our dads, and especially our dads who have been struggling in their relationships, being referred directly from departments saying these dads need help. And so this is what we do, especially with one of the values of E Tu Whanau, which is to mana manaki, to kōrero awhi, and to just build whanaungatanga with these dads. And this is what this program we've been building in terms of our dads. And we've taken them to our special paradise on Rangitoto Island. And so this is some of the footage that we're bringing to you based on our excursion to Rangitoto Island. How was the diving out there, boys?
Too much.
Yeah. How'd you find it, bro?
Awesome.
First time in a snorkel?
First time in a snorkel. The first thing I got was a bruise on the feet.
And you're out here with the Maoris too. That's awesome.
Man, this is a real life, man.
Building relationships, telling stories. Dive anyway. Sure, boys. You eat the kina?
Yes, I did.
Looks good.
No, I haven't.
Don't forget our koro over here.
I've eaten it.
It's no good. It's very yuck. Don't it's very yuck, that food. I recommend people don't eat it. You might end up, you wait later, you'll find out when the smell comes.
They can't muscle, you really can't smell it.
Take the bait for the next.
Take the lamb, you forget the lamb. We just named
I am Tahi.
Go, just
And
name.
I am Hone.
I am Rangitoto. Go. Tell us the story. Tell us the story.
I Tai.
This is
My
Taki.
Tai.
And I am Hone. When we are hunter-gatherers, and we're here,
Pastor Rako, Rangitoto. Rangitoto, welcome you on Rangi. Thank you for welcoming me to Rangitoto. Oh, you got the lamp there with you.
Okay.
Raki.
Uri. Kimata. Maranga mai raki. Uri raki raki. Uri raki raki. Uri raki raki. Maranga mai. Uri raki raki. Uri raki raki.
Ah. Well, there you have it, a little bit of a snapshot of some of the stuff that we got up to in Rangitoto Island. And of course, as I take you through, I just thought very quickly while I had you here, it's something that I make quite normal in the show, and that is show you through the Whanau website. I think it's important that New Zealanders, Māori, Pacific Island, anybody out there should know about the Whanau website. All you need to do is just follow the following. All you got to do is just punch in here in your Google. I've already had it there before. I'll punch it again. Whanau return, and it should come up with the Whanau website. Click the Whanau website. Once you've opened up that, you automatically have access to all there is to know about this movement for positive change called Whanau. It is a movement for positive change developed by Māori for Māori. It's about taking responsibility and action in your community and supporting whānau to thrive. The other side to the Whanau website is that you can sign our Charter of Commitment. As you open it up there, you can see Marianne Tipa and Angeli Farrell and Brendan Downs have all some of the kahukura out in the community that have committed to upholding the Charter of Commitment. And so I'm going to just find out on the Charter. Now all you got to do is go up here, and there in red it says Charter of Commitment. So what I want you to do is just click that, and it'll tell you the Charter of Commitment Whanau. We acknowledge that violence towards whānau is unacceptable within Te Ao Māori, and that such acts of violence are considered a transgression that breach the mana and tapu of the individual, their whānau and the entire whakapapa. And we declare that violence against wahine and tamariki within whānau is not a part of our cultural tradition, and that the actions and solutions that work best for Māori lie within Māori values and Māori practices. Once you've read through that, I'll get you to just go back and shuttle on down here, and in here sign the charter. Just put your name, your last name, email, and then in there if you would like to receive updates, and down the bottom here just press submit, and that'll go through to the Whanau kaitiaki, or the guardians of our website. Okay, we're going to get back on here to the action down at Rangitoto Island. Of course, you are joining me, Makaurau, and this is a broadcast brought to you by Te Whanau Rangimarie o Tamaki Makaurau Trust, who I've been working alongside for a little while now. Building relationships and telling stories is what we do here at thewhanauchannel.com. Check out that website, thewhanauchannel.com. I'm your host, Mr. Makaurau. Let's cross over to Rangitoto. Fantastic. Look at the background.
Just finding ourselves.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, see you daddies later, mate. Say toko. See you on the live broadcast. Keep it up. Okay, brothers. Tutangata.
Oh, the stick.
Teta narako. Hey, bring toko's rako. Okay, kia ora everybody. On behalf of us here at Te Hira Whanau Batch here on Motutapu and Rangitoto, I want to say a big thank you to the Man Up crew and of course to Te Whanau Rangimarie and all the different stakeholders that were part of this kaupapa that we had rolled out this weekend. On behalf of us all, heading back to Tamaki Makaurau.
And there you have it, folks. The end of our Air 2 Dads program on Rangitoto. Short and sweet. And really, I take my hat off to this program, Air 2 Dads, because, these dads come, they refer to us, and some of their needs are really complex. And these dads, they really miss their kids, and I know they've had struggles with their partners, but I always believe in second chances. I always believe that there's always light at the end of the tunnel, and the opportunity to just work with these dads and to exercise a couple of things and I want to refer to these E Tu Whanau posters. Here's one of the posters, kōrero awhi. It's about those positive words. And that's all we did at Rangitoto. We just spoke a lot of positive words and just really reinforced how important it is to just say real positive things. Exercising our tikanga was a really important part. And here's another poster from the E Tu Whanau poster competition talking about tikanga and the role of tikanga. And of course, like I said, kōrero awhi, an important part of what we do. E ha te mea nui o tēnei māku e ki atu, he tangata, he tangata, he tangata. And that pretty much brings us to the end of our show today. Thank you very much on behalf of myself as the E Tu Whanau worker for Te Korowai Aroha o Aotearoa. Don't forget to check out the whanauchannel.com. That's where you'll be able to find all the activity as I begin to move throughout the North Island, in particular from Bombay Hills to Te Taitokerau right to Te Hapua. Trying to get to our people, trying to connect, trying to build relationships and just do the basic stuff. Just tell the story about the wonderful things that are happening in Aotearoa, our beautiful country, right in our backyard, here at the Whanau Channel. Catch you all later.
Straight from the whanauchannel.com. Where do we hang out?
Will you hang out at the Whanau
Just got the public joining us.